coordinated control for performance enhancement of an islanded EC microgrid with uninterrupted power and seamless transition capabilities. Abstract. The main objective of this project developed a simplistic control approach and multimode operation of a wind-solar-based EC microgrid. The islanded microgrid consists of a doubly fed induction generator for wind energy conversion and a solar photovoltaic array for solar energy conversion. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, advantages, simulation diagram results, applications, software, hardware requirements, conclusion, references. Results. In this project, wind turbine blades spin according to airflow and produce kinetic energy, which is delivered to the DFIG, which converts the kinetic energy to electrical energy, and the DFIG is then connected in parallel with the rotor side converter. A bidirectional stator-side solid-state transition switch, which operated on 4-quadrant operation and delivered power both directions, and RSC is linked to a DC bus, which is linked to an MVDC load, an LVDC load, an LVDC load, a solar PV array, and a battery storage system. RSC converts the EC-DC power delivered to the load. SSSTS connected with transformer and unbalanced nonlinear load, and transformer transfer the power load side converter, and LSC delivered AC power through DC bus. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.